Well, it's been 4 years since I changed the oil on this car. And not because I'm being rude, but simply I don't use this car. I maybe put 1,000 miles a year on this car, or 1,600 kilometers. But I'm rolling camera because I want you to see what sludge looks like. This is synthetic oil, which means it's not cheap. And this is an oil screen that's accompanied with an oil filter, a spin-on oil filter. But see the sludge? It's just like a gel, this sludge. And that's only part of it. I removed another glob of it from the bottom of the screen pan. It's all cleaned up now, but this whole layer of sludge was found in this little ridge area. You see, just so that you understand, see, that's the drain plug. That's what bolts in underneath the engine. And there's 6 little 10mm nuts that go inside, go on top of those. So that's sludge. So that commercial you see with the Quaker State or whoever it was is a bit extreme. Means that people just aren't changing their oil. So
sludge. It's only funny when it happens to someone else.
That is sludge. Yuck.